Here we would discuss how to wear cervical traction kit. Cervical traction kit is available in universal size. First, familiarize yourself with various components of the kit. The bedside traction pulley bracket is hung on the head side of the bed. The cervical traction head halter is held around the neck, with one pad touching the chin, and the other back of the head. Patient is made to lie down. This traction system is used while lying down. The two strings from the head halter are pulled and hooked to the slots in the cervical traction spreader bar. The weights are carefully calculated by the doctor considering the age, weight and the ailment of the patient. Usually 3 to 6 kilograms is used. Cervical traction spreader bar is then connected to the weight through the traction cord, and pulled over the pulleys of the bedside, traction pulley bracket and the traction weight bag. Precautions. It has to be ensured that there are no frictional losses during the entire course of the traction line. The usual time for the application of the traction is 10 to 15 minutes, but the competent medical professional, or the doctor decides depending on the condition, age and the weight of the patient. In case of undue pressure or pain at any point, readjust the weights or take appropriate action or stop application of the traction. So as to enhance the effectiveness of the cervical traction, post-traction stabilization is recommended immediately after the traction application. It can be done by using a thinner cervical collar hard with chin, with the patient neck in the maximum extended position, for about an hour. The application of the cervical traction is highly technical. It should be done by a doctor or highly trained medical professional. How to wear cervical traction kit, sitting. Follow the same procedure, instructions and the precautions as told in the sleeping model except for the following. Replace bedside traction pulley bracket hung on the bedside, with over-door pulley bracket hung on the door. This has to be done while sitting on a chair instead of lying down on the bed. Now let's see how to remove cervical traction kit. Gently remove the weight. Gently remove the string. Remove the product. Thank you. For more information, log on to www.tinerindia.com or follow us on Facebook at Tiner India.